Subject 4, subject name CEC 332 Advanced Digital Signal Processing. Unit name Discrete Time Random Processors. Topic Random Processors. Presented by Devi Sasikala, Assistant Professor, TPGIT Velu. Objectives: special types of random process, autoregressive moving average process. Special types of random processes that may be generated by filtering white noise with a linear shift invariant filter that has a rational system function. These include autoregressive moving average processes. So that is AR process, MA process, AR-MA processes. The autocorrelation sequences of these processes satisfy a set of equations known as Euler-Walker equations relating Rx of k autocorrelation to the parameters of the filter. So first type of random process is autoregressive moving average process, AR-MA process. Let us filter white noise Gaussian white noise V of n with a causal linear shift invariant filter having a rational system function with p poles and q zeros. So rational system is given as h of z equal to bq of z by ap of z equal to summation k equal to 0 to q bq of k z power minus k by ap of z means 1 plus summation k equal to 1 to p ap of k z power minus k. So this is h of z. Assume the filter is stable, the output process x of n will be Whitesian stationary and with PV of z equal to sigma v square. So power spectrum of white Gaussian is given as PV of z equal to sigma v square, and the power spectrum will be Px of z equal to sigma v square into PQ of z into conjugate of PQ of 1 by conjugate of z divided by AP of z into conjugate of AP of 1 by conjugate of z. So this is Px of z sigma v square into h of z into h of z inverse. That is the value they have given here. In terms of omega, you can write it Px of e power j omega equal to sigma v square modulus of bq of e power j omega whole square by modulus of ap of e power j omega whole square. Here q refers to zeros and p refers to poles. A process having a power spectrum of this form is known as autoregressive moving average process of order p, q and is referred to as an AR-MA p, q process. Relationship between autocorrelation and filter parameters. The power spectrum of an AR-MA p, q process is generated by filtering white noise V of n with linear shift invariant system having 2p poles and 2q zeros. Since x of n and y of n are related by the linear constant coefficient difference equation given as x of n plus summation L equal to 1 to p ap of L into x of n minus L equal to summation L equal to 0 to q pq of L into v of n minus L. The autocorrelation of x of n and cross correlation between x of n and v of n satisfy the same difference equation. Multiply both sides by conjugate of x of n minus k and take the expected value. Then we have Rx of k plus L equal to 1 to p ap of L Rx of k minus L equal to summation L equal to 0 to q bq of L expectation of v of n minus L into conjugate of x minus n minus k x of n minus k. Since v of n is WSS, v of n and the x of n is jointly WSS. So therefore the above equation can be rewritten as Rx of k plus summation L equal to 1 to P AP of L Rx of k minus L equal to summation L equal to 0 to Q BQ of L or Vx of k minus L. So this is autocorrelation, cross correlation. So Vx of k minus L. So n minus L minus n plus k. So n gets cancelled, we will get k minus L, difference of this both. Derive a set of equations relating the autocorrelation of x of n to the filter. Then x of n is convoluting with the h of n convolute with v of n, and cross correlation is given as expectation of v of n minus L into conjugate of x minus n minus k. So for the simplification, that is expectation of summation of m equal to infinity minus infinity to plus infinity v of n minus L into conjugate of v of m into conjugate of h of n minus k minus n. So here if you see this v of x of n, conjugate of x of n minus k is written in terms of v of h of n into v of n. So that we are substituting here. Instead of conjugate of x of n minus k, we are writing in terms of h and then v. So we are getting this. And then further simplification, we have summation m equal to minus infinity to infinity. The expectation you are getting inside, expectation of v of n minus L into conjugate of v of m, and then whole into conjugate of h of n minus k minus m. This expectation of this is nothing but equal to sigma v square variance into conjugate of h of n minus k minus m. So this is equation 2. Substitute 2 into 1 equation. This is one equation. Substitute this 2 into 1. We have Rx of k plus summation L equal to 1 to P AP of L Rx of k minus L equal to, so sigma v square into this will be inside. So sigma v square summation L equal to 0 to Q BQ of L conjugate of L minus k. You get this. Assume h of n is causal and the right side of the above equation is written as CQ of k equal to summation L equal to k to Q BQ of L conjugate of L minus k. So since CQ of k equal to 0 for k greater than Q, we may rewrite this equation 3 for k greater than equal to 0 as follows. Rx of k equal to Rx of k plus summation L equal to 1 to P AP of L Rx of k minus L equal to sigma v square. This value comes under CQ of k for condition 0 less than k less than or equal to Q. If it is equal to this equal to 0 for k greater than Q, which are Uli-Walker equations. Write these equations for k equal to 0, 1, so on, P plus Q. So in matrix form we have, so Rx of 0, Rx of minus 1, so on, Rx of minus P, Rx of 1, Rx of 0, so on, Rx of minus P plus 1. And below that we have Rx of Q plus 1 into Rx of Q, then Rx of Q minus P plus 1, whole into matrix of 1 AP of 1, so on, AP of P, that equal to sigma v square. So for k values, k equal to 0 to Q, and for remaining and all zeros. Uli-Walker equations may be used to extrapolate the autocorrelation sequence from a finite set of values Rx of k. Then Rx of k for k greater than equal to Q may be computed recursively using the difference equation given as Rx of k equal to minus summation L equal to 1 to P AP of L into Rx of k minus L. Therefore, Ewing-Walker equations provide a relation between the filter coefficients and the autocorrelation sequence. So here, if you see this, the filter coefficients are autocorrelation sequence is Rx of k, and these filter coefficients is AP of L, and then you are getting this BQ of L. AP of L and BQ of L are the coefficients of the filter. So we got the relation between filter coefficients and autocorrelation sequence when you are considering the condition k greater than equal to 0. So when k is greater than equal to q, then this side terms becomes 0. So this in equation 3, these terms all becomes 0. So Rx equal Rx of k, this term we have to bring it this side, then you will be getting this minus of this. So this Rx of k is autocorrelation, AP of L is a filter coefficient. So we got the relation through Ewing-Walker equations. Thank you.